What up, y'all? It's your boy, Power Hour Legends here, back with another video. Before I begin, take our colors of lightning and zap all of them into the subscribe button, because we are writing positive comments each day, avoiding the negative side and the dislikers, because the dislikers and the negative side are big meanies and big jerks. And there's a legendary YouTube channel, by the way. I will have 980 million subscribers in the future. Because I'm the legend of all legends. And let's begin. Right. Oh boy. Oh my god. What was that? No way. Really? I mean, gosh. My gosh, man. Last time I did this, it just got worse and worse and worse. Wow. Jeez. Huge white flash. So the last time I did this, though, dude, it's insane, man. Oh yeah, the last time I did this, man, a tree caught on fire because of the lightning. Jeez. Was that you that had that baby on you? Rat? Where did he go? Was he down here? Yeah! The heck, man? I'm not gonna kill those guys. Gosh, man. Why is there lava in the middle of a forest while the whole forest is just gonna burn down? God, the rain's going down here and the whole lava pool is smoking. What the heck? What was that? Well, that was weird. A bat just squeaked with a lightning bolt. Oh, a bat died in the lava? What the heck? With a lightning bolt? So, a bat just died in the lava pool, and the lightning bolt just struck. Just struck the ground. Hello, goat. What's up? Goat? It's a goat. Yes, you. Come here, little guy. Oh, you're so cute. Oh my god, and then lightning, man. Gosh, I mean, I don't know why I keep saying God, but maybe I want God or something to come down. I don't know. Whoa! The lightning bolt struck with the whole screen turning white. Yeah, the lightning bolt strikes with the whole white screen flashes when it go jumps. It's like drama. God. Ow, ow, ow. Get out of that. Ooh, check this out. Bam. I'm like lightning, man. You're lightning. And you're lightning. That's that for. Oh. You're crazy. Son of a whale. Wow. It did not say the other thing, because if I did, I'd get demonetized. Jeez. Look at you, going through the leaves. Oh yeah, the first time I did this as well, and then on my YouTube channel, well before that, well, I saw 4 zombies at the very first Lightning Steve video. 4 zombies. And then this lightning came around rumbling with these weird rumbling sounds. It was so weird. Mm. So weird, bruh. So weird, bruh. So weird, bruh. Oracles are like, yeah, I know, bruh. Right? Now with these dislikers rampaging my YouTube channel. And that's the lightning bolt. Whoa! Tree just caught on fire. I saw that. I saw that coming. Jeez. Halloween, man. But Halloween passed. Yeah, alright. Halloween just passed. You stuck, huh? Well, snooze you lose. Jeez, man. It's a rainy day. Oh, it's a tree. No way. What the heck? Come on. No, you don't. And there's a random piece of wood here. Something strange is going on. Why is there, just one... Why is there just one piece of wood here randomly in the middle of a spruce forest? Someone put this here, or was it just random generating overworld, or did someone put it here randomly? Well, let me know in the comments what the heck this is, or did Lightning Steve put it here? I don't know, but things are getting creepy. Oh yeah, and I also said that this world is cursed. Yep. Yep. It is cursed. By the way, this is not made for kids. Sorry. It's creepy. Kids should not learn about this. Should not learn about this. And the lightning bolt, oh my gosh, dude. Oh, someone got caught in fire. Oh, that's a phantom. Come here, phantom looking dude. Yeah, you did? Good. Yeah, dude. Ah. Kill a phantom, man. Come here, phantom. Come here. Ooh, woo. Did I just see a drop? I saw no white flash. Oh my gosh, did you see that? Wow, that's very impressive. Night. Pardon me, man. Pardon me. That was a big one. I'm so sorry. Yeah, this is not made for kids. No. Not made for kids. Sorry, kids. Sorry, kids. Can Hora watch it? Well, she's a kid. Well, fine. I guess I'll let Hora watch it. Miss Dama's kid, Hora, I'll let her watch it. And that's the only kid who will watch this video. She's the only kid that can watch this video. And there was the rest of my YouTube fans watch this? Yeah, of course. Of course. Don't be shocked, alright? Don't be shocked. Some snow and rain. For the first time in forever, the day will be strike. Yeah, the lightning was striking. The snow. Wow. You're crazy. That thing he's dropped. Sheesh, it's like a chasm of some sort. I'm creative. Whoa! That was cool. That was so cool. Wow. But still scary. Wow. I saw that. I saw it lit up. 10, huh? 10 minutes into the video. Yeah, I saw something lit up over here. Somewhere in this patch of trees. Jeez. There's another phantom and a lightning bolt. Wow. This world is just getting even more cursed. Dude, if I ever spot a cross, oh my lord. Oh, I'm not gonna touch that. That's so cursed. All you see in this. This is on the gravel, and this grass is on the gravel. Whoa! Did you hear that? Did you hear that? What? No way. No way. I'm out of here. Oh my god. What happens if I, like, shoot up in the air? Nothing? Oh, come on, dude. Oh, there's a phantom. Looks like kill these phantoms. Will the lightning Steve gods be angry? Oh, dude! The Enderman! The same thing! Bro! If I shoot this phantom... Yep, they're angry. Yep, I knew it. More angry! Jesus, lit up over there. I kill this phantom. He's trying to circle me, man. I killed a phantom with a bow. Now this is weird generation. Well, there's one block here. An Enderman must have put this here. Alright. I'm gonna say the same. Get ready. Allah, sir! Wait, no. Oh, hail, lightning gods. I'm here with you. I have this bow. I have this bow. I will drop this sigh in this sigh water. Let Lightning Steve appear. Appear! Another ritual so you can summon Lightning Steve. There's a phantom up there. Fire. You turned red? I hit you the second time and you turned red, but the first time you turned red and I never hit you. That was so weird, man. Wow. Yeah, this world is strange. Yep, so cursed. I can't see the 3-6 number. No way. I just said it. I just saw floating grass on it. Oh, Imagine it's like grass like this, and imagine just randomly floating all around here. That would be insane. That'd be insane, man. Well, I saw the purple sparks. The purple sparks of the Enderman. Yeah. That is so weird. How they do that, man. Oh. Whoa! I'm not touching that. No. 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 16? Alright, let's stop any time, man. What is going on with this world? Look at this. Wait, what the heck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 phantoms? What's going on? Is the lightning Steve real? Yes. There's a possibility. The lightning Steve's real and more lightning is still striking. See, I'm not doing anything, man. This is a Lightning Steve world. And I saw that. Yo, I was right there, just pausing right where the skeleton is, and this weird lightning bolt came up. No way! Lightning Steve was about right there, and he was staring straight at me. I can't do this anymore. Can't do this anymore. I'll still make videos of this, but for right now, I can't do this anymore. I need to take a break. Alright. Credits, comments, in and out of this video. Manpower Hour, Legend of all legends. Always says, this is pieces out. And yes. And yes. Another beautiful day in the rain. I'll say that again. Another beautiful day in the rain. With a lightning bolt striking. Just great. I'm out. I'm out of here. This is pieces out. I'm out of here. I'm out of here.